Good morning. Welcome to Podar International School, Katol Road, Nagpur. I welcome both the members for the virtual inspection. Let me take you for the virtual tour of Podar International School. Let me start with the entrance of the school. This is a Dambar road, and from here, this direction board, this indicates the entrance of the school. From here, left turn has to be taken and we enter into the school premises. This is a huge land of 2 acres. At the entrance you can see the MSCB, very secured, packed with the grill gates. This is our parking lot where the parents and the school buses are parked. Early in the morning the buses are entered into the premises and the children they get down. After that they come. These buses are parked out. Total 6 school buses are there, 40 seaters all, with all the proper arrangements. First aid kit is available. All the buses are under CCTV surveillance. Speed governors are installed. All the drivers, lady conductor, lady attendant, they have undergone through police verification. They have submitted their affidavits. I'll take you inside the bus to have a look. 2 ladies are there inside the bus, 1 lady attendant, lady conductor. Time to time trainings are given to these drivers and conductors for the safety of the children. These are 6 buses you can see, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. These are 40-seater bus. Children they come from city area as well as rural area. I'll take you inside the bus. Here you can see first aid kit. Then the route chart is displayed. There is a hammer during the case of emergency. If the glass has to be broken, that is displayed. Then emergency contact number list is there. Route map is there. Even camera is installed. And every week the camera is cross-checked by me in case of emergency also. This is a grill gate here for the partition. You can see the fire extinguishers inside the bus in case of emergency. Very spacious. Children they keep their bags on top of this. 2 students they sit on 1 seat. Capacity is of 36 students. Now I'll take you inside the premises. This is the parking area where teachers also they park their vehicle. This is the area where the transport staff they sit after dropping the students. They are not allowed inside the premises. This is the entrance of the school, entrance gate. Very beautiful premises, lush green premises. Everywhere you can see the greenery. Here also at the entrance you can see emergency contact numbers are displayed. This area is under CCTV surveillance, that is also mentioned. School timing board is given. Then selling no tobacco products within the radius of 100 yards, that is mentioned. These are all COVID norms which the school definitely follows. At the entrance, this is a grill gate. At the grill gate you can see security cabin. Both the security guards you can see they are wearing PPE kit. Again here you can see this area is under CCTV surveillance. Now keeping COVID norms, hand sanitizer, paddle stand is available for the students as well as staff and the visitors. After that thermal screening is done every day and pulse oximeter is also done every day. The record is maintained in this register. You can see this is done every day. for the staff as well as student. Registers we have made separate, so the recording is done and everything is entered. These are the boxes you can see. This is for maintaining social distancing. This is the lush green environment you can see. Lot many trees are there. Tree plantation is done every year, plantation drive. This is the playground area. We have 2 playgrounds. I'll take you for the virtual tour of playground. We have a full-time gardener who looks after the garden. Very knowledgeable gardener. This is the entrance of the playground, you can see. This is the area where children they play volleyball. The soil of this land is very good. Whatever you plant, you get the fruits. Good quality of soil. This is volleyball area where children they play volleyball. Here you can see Coco. This is football area. Football net, both the sides. We have hobby sports. Under hobby sports, special coaches they come and they give training to students. That is archery. Children they are fond of archery. We have a coach to train them. This is our archery stand. You can see bow, arrow, everything is kept here. Students they have even represented at state level. So this archery buttress, bow, arrow, you can see this. This is pakka wall for the security of the children. You can see pakka wall. This is a septic tank, cemented septic tank, very secure. This is the pakka wall. This is a cricket net. Children they do practice. Cricket practice in this net. Now I'll take you to sports room where you can see all the equipments. Very beautiful garden. This is a sports room where all the equipments are kept very nearby to the playground area. This saves children's time. Here all the equipments are there. Dumbbells, lazim, yoga mats, football, basketball, volleyball, pittock, everything is kept here. This is the sports stock register, maintained properly. You can see everything is mentioned here. Skipping rope, volleyball, duly signed by the principal. So here we keep all these sports equipments nearby to the playground, very convenient for the students to bring the things and take away the things. Now I'll take you to the kitchen garden. Backside of the school building we have utilized. Nice kitchen garden is developed by the gardener. This is a gen set in case of emergency. Since the school is in rural area, especially on Wednesdays, we do face electricity problem. So this is a gen set. Now this is our beautiful little kitchen garden. You can see lot many vegetables right now. These are all Shevanti flowers, beautiful Shevanti flowers. This is a big tree of Kadi Patta. These are spinach. Especially grade 1 and 2, they enjoy when they see these vegetables live. So here you can see coriander, methi. This is a beautiful pomegranate tree. We are expecting within 2 more years we'll be able to get the fresh pomegranates. This is again a pakka boundary wall at the back side of the school. This is electric meter, very secure. You can see the grill gate. This panel is every time locked. Students are not allowed to enter in this area actually. Electric panel. Keys are mostly kept with the admin officer. Both the sides you can see there are grill gates, so there is no chance of students entering here. You can see mint. Here we have installed incinerator to dispose of the sanitary napkins, and here you can see fire extinguisher also. This incinerator, it works whenever we have to dispose of the napkins. We use this to dispose of the used napkins. This is lemon tree. This is back side of the school, having pakka wall, boundary wall from all 4 sides. As I said, the soil here is very good in quality. The school is surrounded on all 4 sides of fields. You can see everywhere agricultural land. From top view, you can see that surrounded by agricultural land. This is the third side of the school, back side with the pakka boundary wall. Here also there is a channel gate. Both the gates are locked. No entry for students, even for the staff. Only grade 4 staff is allowed to enter in this area. As I said, there is electrical panel as well as gen set, so we don't allow students to come in this area. This is the third side of the school, back side. You can see pakka boundary wall. This is a grill gate which we lock. Now we come here in front. This is the dispersal gate. I'll take you later on. From here, at the time of departure, students, they board the bus using this backside grill gate. Now this is the front view of the building. Here again you can see lot of greenery both the sides. This is a cemented area. This is a flag post for hoisting the flag. Surrounded by the palm trees. This is again gymnastic beam. We have a coach for gymnastic who trains the children. These are 4 house flags. We have 4 houses. The names of the houses are Ventus, Ignis, Aqua and Terra. These are the 4 houses. Now I will take you to the second portion of the lawn, second side. These boxes, as I said, for maintaining social distancing. Here we have kept the fire equipments. Every year we conduct 4 mock fire drills to train the children. The entire building has got fire evacuation plan. You can see the fire beater, fire hook. Apart from this, I'll show you the fire hose pipe. You can see the force of the water at the time of emergency. This is a long pipe. The pressure fire hose. This is again a play area utilized by primary students. Everywhere you can see the palm tree, beautiful garden, lot many flowers. This is Mogra. Now I'll take you to the basketball area. This has got a shade. Children, they love to play basketball. They eagerly wait during recess time to come to this area to play the basketball. A wide area you can see basketball. Both the poles are there. Balls are kept. This area also helps us during rainy season. We park the buses over there and children, they enter and they form a line in this basketball area to board the bus. So that saves them from rain. This is basketball net. A beautiful area. Everywhere you can see greenery, lush green garden, beautiful ambience for the students to come to school every day. They look forward. Now we are entering into the cafeteria. Right now we don't have canteen facility, but the infrastructure is ready. This is a serving area. You can see the serving area. This is a small kitchen inside. You can see this back side of the canteen. This is attached to the playground. So if the students want to take a shortcut also, they can enter to the canteen and they can come to the play area. Wash basin nearby. You can see very convenient for the students to wash their hands after eating. Hand wash. All the good eating habit charts displayed here. This helps them to learn also. Here also we have installed one fire extinguisher in case of emergency. You can see very big canteen area. These posters you will see everywhere wherever there is electrical socket. Abidu says switch off the lights and fans when not in use. Help conserve electricity. Classroom code of conduct. Now I'll take you to the library area. A very big library having approx 3000 books. Big library area. You can see The magazine stand here. Keep silence definitely. Very important to maintain silence. These are the library registers. This is book issue register. You can see children, they are fond of issuing books. They take the book, they read the book. This is staff library book. Even staff members also, they issue the book. These are accession register. 3 accession registers are there. You can see. Right now, as of now, there are 3,196 books in our library. So these are the assistant register. Teacher, this is a flannel board. Usually this is students write up my views on the book. After they read the book, they write their views on that book. These are the articles written by students. This is a laptop and printer given for the library purpose. It has got a software. Now I'll show you the books which we have in the library. This shelf exclusive is for the sample papers of grade 9, 10, 10th. All the books are kept here. This gives a quick look. How many reference books, how many subject books, teacher reference books, periodicals, fictions, non-fictions are there in the library. As I said, currently 3,196 books are there in the library. The shelves are there. You can see the books which are there in the library. These are science books. These are all non-fiction reference books. These are all dictionaries, encyclopedia. These are teachers' reference books. These are teachers' manuals. These are storybooks, a series of storybooks you can see. They are very fond of storybooks. These are subject reference books. If they want to refer, they can. We do have a height chart. This is also enjoyed by the students. They stand here. They keep on checking their height. So this is our entire library setup. You can see speakers. Any kind of announcement is just from the principal's cabin. Children, they can hear. Here also we have 2 CCTV cameras in the library to keep a watch on the students. Both the corner has got 2 CCTV cameras in the library to cover the entire library. This is a staff toilet now. This is for the female staff. You can see both the western toilets here. It has got proper tap, hand wash, napkin, everything is there. This washroom is for the gents. His you can see for the male staff. Next to this, I'll take you to the girls' washroom. This is a washroom feedback register. If the students, they feel that something has to be mentioned here, if the neatness is not there, if water is not there, or a hand wash has been finished, everything, whatever complaints they feel, they should report it to the authority. They write here on this washroom feedback register. I'll take you to the girls' washroom. This is mostly utilized by the primary students, primary girls. Very spacious, very neat and tidy washroom. We have also made the boxes keeping COVID norms into mind. These are for social distancing. There is a panic alarm in case of any emergency. Children, they can ring this alarm. I'll show you, it's in working condition. This is a panic alarm in the washroom. These are all western commodes, western toilets. And this is washing area. Taps are there. Here also they can see themselves. Mirror is there. Washing area. These are washroom norms chart. Here also we have kept sanitizer, hand paddle dispenser. Again keeping norms of COVID. After using the washroom, they can sanitize their hand. Now this is a drinking water area. We have RO plant. There are 4 water coolers in the premises. Right now, we have kept it off. There is no water. Just keeping the COVID norms. Children, as of now, they are not reporting to school. And admin staff, those who are coming, we carry our own water bottles. This is inverter in case of emergency. This is again always locked. You can see the battery is kept very safely in this cupboard. This is always locked. This is a storeroom under the staircase to keeping the housekeeping material that is kept inside the storeroom. This is an evacuation plan of the ground floor. Very convenient, easy to read. Fire exit. Everywhere you'll see the direction given. This is the front reception area. You can also see the beautiful lawn this side, both the sides. Mirrors are displayed everywhere so that children they can see whether they are nicely dressed up or not. Near reception area, again there is one evacuation plan and fire exit direction is given. We have kept one fire extinguisher near the reception area. This is a ramp for the handicapped children. With the help of this railing, they can enter. We have kept wheelchair also. This is the area from there where they can enter into the premises. Podar International School, it's a big chain of school. Right now we have 131 schools across India. We have schools in approx 9 states. Maharashtra we have 78 schools. Gujarat we have 20. Karnataka 14. Madhya Pradesh 9. Bihar 3. Punjab 3. Andhra Pradesh 1. Chhattisgarh 1. West Bengal 1. Goa 1. So we are expanding. This is our reception area. Here you can see the ICC committee meet which was formed last year, internal complaint committee meet. This area is under CCTV surveillance that is also displayed. As per the CBSE norm, anger free zone, this also we have displayed. Emergency contact number is displayed. School timing board is displayed. Use of mobile phone forbidden. Here daily whatever is there, videos, everything that we display for the visitors they can see. This is a route chart, bus route chart displayed here. Here we have a sick bay, sick room on the ground floor near the reception area, very convenient for us. Here the nurse, she sits. You can see all the emergency apparatus. These are the stock registers. Here she maintains the record. This is a student's medicine record book. You can see stethoscope, pulse oximeter, BP meter, thermometer, nebulizer, everything is there. We have 2 beds in this sick room, one for boy and one for girl. You can see the partition is done using this green curtain. This is for the girl. There is refrigerator also to keep the ice. This is an emergency stretcher. If required, anytime it can be used. Here also you can see the emergency contact numbers are displayed. So this is a sick room. This is admin officer's cabin. You can see admin officer is there. He is Mr. Rakesh Baisware. You can see emergency contact number displayed here also. And this is a key stand. All the keys are there of the entire premises. He is the only authority person to have access to this. This is the reception area where the front desk executive, she sits here. She counsels the parents at the time of admission. This is her place. We have a conference room also where the meetings are held usually. This is our conference room. We do have the PTA members. You can see it was installed last year. School has also successfully participated in Fit India, where school has bagged 3 certificates. You can see Fit India Freedom Run, then Fit India Certificate of Recognition, then Fit India Cyclothon. These 3 certificates recently school has bagged. This is principal's cabin. Mission, vision and values of the school is displayed outside the principal cabin. These are the COVID norms, the posters issued by CBSE related to COVID. Now let me take you to principal cabin. This is principal's cabin. Before that, I would like to introduce to a small idol of goddess Saraswati. This is principal's cabin. All the achievements, the trophies which the school has bagged, that has been displayed here. You can see last year the school participated in inter-school Bal Darbar competition, where school bagged approx 8 trophies, that you can see here. School has also bagged award for participating in 3D competition. There are trophies from last 2 years. School is getting award for commitment to excellence award among all the Podar schools. These are the trophies you can see. Again, mission, vision is displayed in principal's cabin. This is a PA system from where the principal gives a common announcement for all the classes. This is a CCTV camera rack. CCTV is displayed here. Right now we have 48 cameras in working condition. It has got 2 ports, 48 cameras. So this is a principal cabin. Now I will take you towards the other admin areas. Accounts room. We have a full-time accountant. This is account section. Account section has got a partition. Here is a Xerox machine, you can see, photocopier. Usually students exam papers we do go for Xerox here. This is a small account area. Here is our accountant, account office. Here there are 2 confidential shelf lockers to keep the confidential documents. This is a ground floor. Here again fire extinguisher is displayed, 1 water cooler and 1 storeroom here. CCTV rack. In case of emergency, when there is no electricity, we have this iron bell plus this electric bell also. Now here there is boys washroom. As I said, washroom feedback register. This is also kept here. This is a sanitizer paddle stand. Once they use the washroom, they can use this dispenser. This is a boys washroom. This also has got washroom manners. You can see displayed here all the urinals for boys. Very neat and clean. One housekeeping Didi, she sits here. Here also there is emergency panic alarm in a working condition. Here the cleaning chart is displayed. Every day the housekeeping in charge has to note down cleaning chart. This is checked by admin officer. This is a hose pipe, fire hose reel. This is up to first floor in a working condition. As I said, we do conduct fire drill 4 times in a year. Now I'll take you to grade 1. This is our grade 1 classroom. Every classroom has got projector. You can see visualizer, PC as a teaching aid. Teachers, they use video audio visual aids using this PC. Whiteboards are installed and all the classroom has got anger free zone board also. This is grade 1. Now I'll take you to music room. Beautifully decorated. This has got a synthesizer. You can see flutes, bagul. Children, they look forward for all this. They enjoy. These are mini Casios for the primary children. They use these mini Casios. Tabla, harmonium, drum set and guitar also. So this is our beautiful music room where children love to come and have their music classes. Let me take you to grade 2 now. This is music lab. These are COVID norms displayed everywhere for washing hands, wearing mask. Here also there is one fire extinguisher in this corridor. Display boards are beautifully decorated, very colorful, very attractive. Every classroom has got the section's name. This is grade 2 Ruby. As I said, every classroom has got projector, visualizer, PC is there. You can see visualizer. Yes, this is displayed, very convenient. There are subject charts also attached with every lessons. Teacher has got these charts. They use this as a teaching aids. Beautiful charts are there. This is a small pocket made for these charts. I'll show you few charts. These are subject related charts. This, for example, this is a chart of healthy food versus junk food. So So these are all subject based charts for grade 1 to 5. These pockets are available in all the classrooms for the teachers. So before she starts her lesson, she can display these charts on the whiteboard, and it serves a purpose of as a teaching aids. Every classroom has got this Abidu board which says to switch off the lights and fans when not in use. Now I'll take you to grade 3. Again, evacuation plan is displayed here on the ground floor with the direction for fire exit. These are the shelf where children they keep their tiffin, basket, water bottle, everything. This is grade 3. This has also got visualizer, projector, PC. This is grade 3. Beautiful work done by the students of grade 3. All the worksheets, everything is displayed here. We have a concept of logistics. So in case teacher has to call any child, she uses these logistics having their roll numbers. This ensures that every child gets a chance to speak. There are complaint box installed in every classroom. This is checked by principal at the end of the day. If they have any complaint and if they are not convenient to share with their teacher, they can directly write on a piece of paper and put that paper in that complaint box, which is checked every day by the principal and the core team. Now extinguisher on this floor for the safety of the student. This has also got the projector, visualizer, PC. This anger free zone small boards are there in all the classrooms as per the CBSE norms. At the same time, if to keep the teacher smiling always, this smile place is also there. This is usually utilized by the children. Here also the birthday chart is displayed. Grade 5. These are all students' work, beautifully done by them. This is the dispersal gate used by the students at the time of departure. They form a line and they board the bus from here. Now I'll take you to grade 5. This is grade 5. This also has got visualizer, projector and PC. All the boards are beautifully decorated. Subject charts, which I said, which is used as a teaching aids, that pocket is there at the back. Lesson chapter related charts, that also utilized by the teachers. Whiteboard, complaint box in every classroom. Now I'll take you to grade 6. Topaz. This is again, you can see, beautifully decorated by students' work. Birthday chart. Again PC, visualizer, projector and a whiteboard. The last class on the ground floor is grade 7th. This is grade 7th. Here the desk benches are kept apart, keeping social distancing in mind. This is grade 7. Now we'll go to first floor. This first floor staircases, we have displayed the names of the states and its capital. This is side by side learning for the students. Whenever they climb the staircases, they can read the names of the states as well as its capital. Here also fire action, all the important norms of fire. fire extinguisher. This is the back side of the building. Beautiful view. As I said, it is covered from the fields, agricultural land from all three sides. This can be seen. Staircases, again it has got states and its capital. Children, they learn whenever they climb the stairs. This is a CCTV camera rack, always locked. This floor also has got fire extinguisher, evacuation plan. This is again displayed here. And this area, access to the terrace, this is always locked, and you can see it is covered with the grill gates. This is for the safety of the students. Always it is locked so that students, they should not go up. Now on this first floor, here this is girls washroom, and here there is a water cooler. Right now currently because of COVID this is not in use. This is a girls washroom for the secondary girls. Again a washroom feedback register is kept here. In case of any complaint, girls can use. This is a panic alarm in case of emergency. Here for the secondary girls, we have a vending machine also. Here the girls, they insert 2 rupees coin and they get this pad from here in case of emergency. Now I'll take you to the new classrooms which has been made for grade 11th. One section for humanities, one section for science. Here on this floor we have a staff room. You can see a proper sitting is done for the teachers' convenient. They have a shelf, proper table, chair. This is also used as examination room. All the question papers are kept in that shelf. This is a new classroom, grade 11th humanities. The arrangement has been done for the grade 11 students. Nice setup. This also has got projector, visualizer, PC. Here also you can see anger free zone is displayed. There is a complaint box. If students want to write any kind of complaint, they write and they insert the chit. This is grade 11th humanities section, and this is grade 11th science section. Very spacious, beautiful, very colorful. Here also you can see complaint box, anger free zone, PC, projector, visualizer for this classroom also. Just next to grade 11 we have a counselor's cabin, beautifully decorated by counselor. This has got the important kit of behavioral kit. You can see learning and behavior kit. These are calming cards, chip chopper, antonyms of basic level. This has also got picture composition card, prefix meaning card, synonym of secondary level, compound word, emotion flashcards, suffix meaning cards, question cards. This is a complete kit of learning and behavioral kit. This is handled by school counselor. There are various games also for the students. These are all memory games. Build a sentence, Pitches cue, Kinder blocks. There are many more. games. These are slide ladders, word puzzle, all for students. This is a cabin. This also has got PC, intercom, even CCTV camera is installed here in her cabin. The entire corridor has got around 4 CCTV camera. Now I'll take you to grade 10th classroom. This is grade 10th classroom. This has also got projector, visualizer, PC. Grade 10th. Backside they have got a shelf where they keep all the books. Now I'll take you to grade 9th. All the flannel boards in the corridor are beautifully decorated. This is grade 9th. This has also got projector, visualizer, PC, intercom. Any kind of announcement done on the PA system can be heard here. This fire exit. Every floor has got 3 evacuation plan. This is grade 8 now. This also has got the same setup, beautifully decorated, all the flannel boards inside. These are all students' work, very artistic students, very creative. This is grade 8. Now I'll take you to the most favorite room of students, that is art and craft room. They love to do art craft. This is art craft room. You can see the wallpaper, beautifully decorated. These are all color bottles, all the sheets. Children mostly they sit on the floor and they do their craft work. Here are the 3D models. These all models are made by students. Last year they did participate in 3D competition. This is a botanical garden made by these students. These are all 3D materials. 3D material, this chair and all, everything is designed in that 3D printer. This is a replica of Murd Janjira fort made using the filaments. This is also made under the 3D printer. This is a public garden, and this is a 3D design of a resort, beautifully made by students. This is art and craft room. CCTV camera is installed here also on top. Now I'll take you to indoor rooms, where we have got, here the passage ends. There is a window to get the fresh air from here. This is the back side of the school. This is indoor games room. You can see. This is also one of the favorite room of students. You can see chess. They come and play chess. It has got carom boards. It has also got TT tables. One mini table and the other one big TT table. Now we are moving towards yoga room. Yoga mats are displayed. Children, they come, they keep their footwears out, and then they enter into the yoga room. This is very beautiful room to get peace. Children, they come for meditation. They do yoga here. all the different mudras are displayed on the wall. You can see Varun Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Yog Mudra, Saket Mudra. The Guru of Yoga, Baba Ramdev, you can see his poster. And this is a setup of yoga room. Yoga mats are there. Yoga teacher, he sits here and he teaches different poses of yoga. Surya Namaskar is also displayed. This room has also got intercom. This is a beautiful yoga room. Now I am taking you to the Innovation Studio, one of the most favorite class which children they eagerly wait to come. This is again one evacuation plan displayed on the first floor. This is our Innovation Studio where children they learn about robotics. We have got VR glasses. A proper syllabus is provided to the students for this. This robotics, you can see it in working condition. Children they enjoy a lot. This robotic lab we have started last year only. Few of them have got sensor. There are around 22 laptops, 22 MBOT and 10 VR glasses. A special robotic faculty is appointed for teaching them this robotic. Now we'll move towards the labs, physics lab, chemistry lab and bio lab. This is the right side of the wing. Now we are moving towards the left side of the wing where there are labs. All the labs are in continuation. Very convenient for the kids to move from one lab to the other lab. Now we are entering into physics laboratory. This is our physics lab. This is the setup of physics lab. You can see the charts of refraction of light by prism. These are the apparatus used for physics lab. This is Ohm's law apparatus. This is resistance in series, resistance in parallel. You can see battery eliminator and the other equipments of physics lab. These are the charts, Ohm's law charts, static electricity, measurement charts, electrical symbols, electromagnetism, weights and measures. All the important charts are there related to physics lab. These are all the other apparatus needed for physics practicals. Now we will move towards chemistry lab. This area has also got a channel gate, fully secured. This also we lock for the safety of the students. Now we are moving towards chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Currently the sink is not working as we have locked the water channels due to COVID. All the chemicals, acid, everything is displayed here. Necessary for chemistry lab. Most of the chemicals are kept in the cupboard for the students' safety. It is kept inside. Here also you can see the charts. Laboratory safety chart is displayed. pH chart, organic chemistry chart, chemical bonding, structure of an atom, electroplating, laboratory techniques, and very important, periodic table of elements, long form. Now we'll move to the next lab. Here on this floor again drinking water facility. As I said, due to COVID, this has been disabled. This is not in a working condition. This is a grill gate. This goes to the first floor, properly secured so that students should not go up. Now this is a boys' toilet on the first floor. Both the floor has got one boys' toilet and one girls' toilet. Girls' toilet in the left hand side, boys' toilet in the right hand side of the wing. Here also we have got a panic alarm in this washroom in a working condition. This is a toilet cleaning chart. This is checked by admin officer every day after the cleaning is done. These are the urinals, water tank. This is fire hose reel. Here also you can see washroom feedback register. If students have got any kind of complaint, they can register here. Fire extinguisher near computer lab and bio lab. This is a staff toilet on first floor for the female staff members. Now we are entering into the computer lab. Here you can see approx 22 computers are kept, all in working condition, very beautifully decorated. All the flannel boards, very attractive, very pleasing for the students. Here we have got a 3D printer. Every year our students, they participate in the 3D competition, so they look forward for the, you can see this printer. This is a 3D design, if you can see, made using the filament. This is a small house made in this printer. Here also fire extinguisher in case of any kind of emergency. Now we are moving towards biology lab. This is our bio lab. You can see bio lab, taps, in working condition. Human brain model, globe, this you can see human respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, muscular system. These are the models of human skin, excretory system, human teeth, animal cell. Here also again, in case of emergency, there is fire extinguisher. You can see a model of human body. This is a denture. Do's and don'ts of biolab, safety rules. These are the microscopes. 6 microscopes. You can see the chart of circulation of blood. This is a dummy of skeleton. Plant cell, animal cell chart, reproduction in plants, food and nutrition chart. This is a biolab stock register. Everything is mentioned here. This is human anatomy chart. Now we are moving towards maths lab. Beautifully designed. All the formulas are displayed. You can see this is trigonometry. This is maths KidsCon kit, which is used by the teachers to make math subject more interesting. All the theorems, 3D shapes, all the laws, volumes, addition, subtraction, everything, all the formulas are displayed here. These tables are also beautifully designed. You can see this table has got a protractor. This has got a snakes and ladder and some formulas of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division pasted on the table. This length and weight details are given. This is pertaining to volume. So slab. Now we are moving towards dance room. Beautifully decorated. This has got a mirror, sound system, an ample space for the girls to dance, for students, for boys also. This has also got CCTV camera. Now we are moving towards the terrace, from where we can have an aerial view of the entire building. You will see the building is surrounded by green fields on all the 4 sides. Now we are moving towards the terrace area. As I said, this is properly secured using the channel gate. For the safety of the students, we have installed these grills so that they should not go up without permission. It is always locked and the keys are always with the principal. We are moving towards the terrace area, where there are water tanks, RO plant. This has also got a channel gate plus a door. Yes, there are water tanks. This is a fire hose pipe. These are all Plasto water tanks of 1500 2000 liter installed. From here once again you can see the outside view. The entire playground is visible from here, plus the parking area where the buses are parked, the security cabin you can see, sports room very nearby to the playground for the students to get the things. And this side, as I said, it is covered by agricultural land. Everywhere you can see. This is our kitchen garden, back side of the school. Now we will move towards the front side of the school. Here you can see the CFE tower for the internet connection, very high to get the connectivity. This is the front view of the school building. This is a basketball shade which I showed. Here also you can see name of the school along with the logo. This is a board having affiliation number. It's the front view of the school building. Here also you can see the name of the school in acrylics. This is the front lawn of the school. Very beautiful, peaceful ambience. This is the center of the school. You can see beautiful lawn, nicely developed. Everywhere there is greenery, surrounded by palm trees. This is the second side of the terrace area, left side of the terrace area. This is the backside area of the building from the left hand side. This is also surrounded by agricultural land. Everywhere there is greenery. And this is the front portion of the school building. This is also surrounded by the agricultural land. Everywhere you can see the pakka boundary wall on all four sides. beautiful ambience. Hence, that's all. I have taken you for the complete virtual tour of the school. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.